How to enable or disable Don't Display Last Signed In User on the sign-in screen in Windows 11. Did you know Windows 11 shows the name and in some cases the email address of the last person who signed in right on the lock screen? It's convenient, but in shared or public spaces, that can be a security risk. In this video, we'll show you how to turn off this setting so your login details stay private. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Prerequisites for enabling or disabling Display Last Signed In User. Turning on this policy makes users enter their full credentials, both username and password, every time they sign in. But for personal or home devices, you might want to leave it unconfigured for easier logins. Before you start, make sure you have administrator privileges, access to the local group policy editor, access to the registry editor. Method 1. Configure via the local group policy editor. Before you start, make sure the device is running Windows 11 Pro, Enterprise, or Education. To try this method, press Windows plus R, type gpedit.msc, and hit Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter to open the local group policy editor with admin rights. Next, go to Computer Configuration, Windows Settings, Security Settings, Local Policies, Security Options. Find Interactive Logon, Don't Display Last Signed In, and double-click it. Choose Enabled to hide the last signed in username. Choose Disabled to show it. Click Apply, then OK, and close the editor. Finally, open PowerShell as administrator and run gp-update/force to apply the changes. Method 2. Configure Interactive Logon Don't Display Last Signed In via Registry Editor. For this method, be careful, as registry changes apply instantly and can cause issues if done wrong. Press Windows plus R, type regedit, and hit Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter to open the registry editor. Go to HKey, Local Machine, Software, Microsoft, Windows, Current Version, Policies, System. Find Don't Display Last Username and double-click it. Set the value to 1 to hide the last signed-in username. Set it to 0 to show it. Click OK, close the editor, and restart your PC to apply the change. Method 3. PowerShell script for automation. Manually editing the registry on multiple devices can be time-consuming. Using PowerShell is a faster way to apply the same setting across all machines, even those not joined to a domain. Press Windows plus R, type PowerShell, then press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter to launch it as administrator. Enter the command that matches your preference. Use this command to hide the last signed-in username. Use this command to show the last signed-in username. Wait for the script to complete. Close the PowerShell window. By default, Windows shows the last signed-in username to make logging in faster, but this can expose credentials in secure environments. To prevent that, it's best to hide the last user at sign-in. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to enable or disable Don't Display Last Signed In User on the sign-in screen in Windows 11, linked in the description below.